House Mountain today. This will be our second trip. Last time we did one trail, this time we'll do another. I believe the trail we're taking today will give us an overview of Knoxville, which is about 30 minutes south of us right now. Any commentary? Lovely.
We're going to see all the autumn colors. Did you get... Yeah. I just tripped.
Underneath these huge rock formations.
The east end overlook provides a view of Clinch Mountain.
Is that what you want to do?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
See a new view.
New views. We're at the peak, and we definitely came here last time. Actually, we have photos down this trail here.
That's where we stopped and had snacks. This was our first hike of 2016.
Yeah, first hike of the year.
The moon's in the center.
If you can see the moon.
If you look into the distance, you see the mountains.
Wow. Couple miles, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're getting back to the trailhead. What would you rate that hike on a scale of 1 to 10? 10 being Mount Everest, 1 being a walk on a greenway.
So there's a short moment where it's kind of hard. You get out of breath a little bit, but it's probably one of the easier hikes. I'd give it a 2 or a 3.
Really? What? Okay, walking through a Walmart parking lot is a 1. You're looking to give that a 2?
I'd give it a 3.
A 3? A 3, okay. Well,
no.
For Superwoman back here, that hike was only a 3.
Okay, that hike we did with David, that was what?
That was
A
freaking,
7 or an 8?
yeah, that was up there. Yeah, this is mid-range. It's definitely not a 2.
But most of it is not, we don't go uphill that much.
So yeah, toward the peak, it gets a little steep.
Look at the background behind us.
I would give it, on difficulty, I would give it like a 5.
4 or 5.
4 or 5, wow.
4.5.
God. I feel like a wuss right now. What are the leaves for?